How to delete a YouTube channel on mobile. So in order for you to delete your YouTube channel using your cell phone, this is what you can actually do. So looking right here is the screen. Now before we dive right into the video, hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. So looking right here is our YouTube app. So in order for you to delete your YouTube channel, this is what you need to do. First, you need to go to your profile, click on your profile like this in order to go to this section. Then the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you do that, you are going to see the option of switch or manage accounts. So you need to go ahead and click on switch or manage account like this. Then go ahead and click on manage your Google account. You can see that option right here. Once you do that, this is what you're going to see. So you just need to scroll down gently and click on data and privacy. So clicking on data and privacy like this, the next step you need to take is to scroll a little bit and you're going to see the option of tools. So you just need to go ahead and tap on that. So looking right here, you can see the option of delete a service. So you just need to go ahead and click on that like this. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on delete. You can see YouTube. This is your YouTube channel. So you just need to go ahead and click on delete like this and confirm by inputting your fingerprints. Now looking right here, it says remove your YouTube channel. So it says here hide or delete your content from YouTube. So looking right here, you can see I want to hide my channel. So looking right here as well, you can see I want to permanently delete my channel. So if you want to permanently delete your channel, this is what you can simply do. Check this box like this and click on delete my content and your channel is actually going to be deleted. Meanwhile, if you just want to temporarily hide your channel, this is what you can simply do. Click on I want to hide my channel like this and check this box, then click on hide my channel. Once you do this, your channel name, your public videos, your public playlist, your likes, your subscription to other channels, your subscribers on your channel, your comments and replies are not going to be visible to people on YouTube. So this is how simple it is for you to delete your YouTube channel on mobile. Hope you found this guide helpful. We've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Welcome to AppFix and End channel.